Welcome to the RCM Level 2 playback videos. This is example weekly test number 6. We are in G major. We have a 4/4 time signature, and this example is 2 measures in length. We have a G major triad, so go ahead and play that with me. I will play this example 2 times. Remember to tap your foot along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on do? Did we end on do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and play that back for me. Okay, for the answer, go ahead and turn to page 48 in the RCM 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.